to show you how to plant blueberry bushes in a container. I've done so much research. I'm fairly confident that I've followed all the rules and stuff. So
Okay, she's going to show you how to plant blueberry because she's done all the research off the internet. Look at that, 85,000 views. That's more than what I got. So let's talk about it. Look at her ingredients. She's got their pine bark nuggets and black gold peat moss. Alright, so she's using wood chips and peat moss. Then I make a video explaining that pine bark or wood chips and peat moss have no nutritional value. It's no wonder she recently came up with another video asking for help why her blueberries were dying. But we'll get to that later. Right now, we're going to talk about she's done all the research and expertise off the internet to plant blueberries. So let's look at what she's using here. Again, pine bark. Pine bark is a wood chip that's going to take nitrogen away from the soil. She has peat moss. Peat moss is just for maintaining moisture and it contains no nutritional value. So my question to you is, if you're using pine bark that has it takes nitrogen away from the soil, peat moss that has no nutritional value, what is the blueberry going to live off? And let's take a look at something else here. Where is the soil? She said she was going to use soil, but she's only using pine bark and peat moss. So, as you can see, she mixes in the ingredients in there and take a look at the drainage. This is what I want to show you. Look at the drainage and then tell me what you think. Alright, so let's take a look the way she's watering here. Look at how the water does not drain. It stays up there in puddles. On the top window view, you can see my ingredients, what I'm putting in there. Organic soil. These have all nutrients and vitamins and minerals for the blueberry plant. Acidic soil, potting mix. You know, and what did she put in hers? Just, you can see it right there. Pine bark and peat moss. You can see how the water does not drain. Now look at mine. Take a look how it drains, alright? I'm going to put the water hose to it right now. And not only that, I had 3 different samples here. And you can see it, 3 different pops. Look at the way I'm putting the water. Now compare mine watering to hers. There's no comparison. You can see what she's doing there is just, slush. Because peat moss is to maintain moisture. It's like a sponge. It holds the water. And the same thing with wood chips. You can see right there, look at that. That's a slush. I'm still watering mine, and look how the water drains. And look at the color, look at the slurry. Mine is not lush like hers, And she, 1 year later asked why her blueberries are dying. And mine are on video. You can see mine are still growing. So, she got so many views and I got so little views. She did so much research and look at the results. So why do you believe her? Because the internet says 50% pine bark and 50% peat moss. That's what blueberries need. I made quite a lot of videos explaining the nutritional value of peat moss and the nutritional value of wood chips. And you guys still don't watch my videos. You still don't believe me. But my blueberries are growing. Look at my soil still draining. Compare the two. You see, I don't understand why you guys believe somebody else who does their research off the internet, and compared to me that I do my research with people that work at the university's agriculture department, and I correspond with the professors running the course. You know, the proof is in the pudding, like they say. Take a look with your own
And you
eyes
just saw it drain.
and tell me. Look at the soil. Look at the color. You know, what more can I say?